In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram profile link. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Your profile appears. Over here, you can find this option of edit profile. Tap on it. Now you have to copy your username. Copy it. After you do that, close your Instagram app and open any of the browser in your device. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Type in there instagram.com/ and then paste your username. Now tap on search. Now at the top you can see this share icon. Tap on it and then tap on this option copy URL. In this way you can easily copy link of Instagram profile. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.